Hello students, this is Ashish Kumar Sinha, English subject teacher of DAB Public School CCL Grade. Again, I welcome you all in our video classes. My dear students, today we will discuss a very interesting story, The Fun They Had. It is a science fiction written by Isaac Asimov. So before going to start the story, students, I would like to throw some light on the work and life of the writer Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was an American writer and a professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his works of science fiction. Asimov was a prolific writer who wrote or edited more than 500 books and estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Asimov wrote hard science fiction. He was born on 22nd January 1920 in Russia, and he was died on 6th April 1992, New York, United States. So here, The Fun They Had is one of the very interesting science fiction of Isaac Asimov. So now, students, we will start the story. The Fun They Had. The fun they had. So, first of all, I would like to clear the introduction of the story. This is a very light story. It is set in future. It is set in the future. It will make all of you love to school. This story is regarding school life and how those children who do not go to school miss school so much. The setting of the story is in the future when perhaps there will be no schools, there will be no books, there will be no books and no schools. Then how will the children learn at that time? The children will learn through computer teacher. The children will learn through mechanical teacher. The children will learn through robotic teacher. And how those children will miss going to school and will feel that their ancestors, that is the present generation, we all will be the ancestors of our generation of that time, had fun going to school, meeting and helping each other. In the end, we come to know that this is an imagination of a young girl named Margie, who comes to know that their ancestors used to go to school. All the children used to study together. She feels that they all had a lot of fun when they went to school. So when we read the story, we feel that school is very good, and we are fortunate that we have real schools where we go. That we have real schools where we go, meet friends and get a chance to study together. So let's start the story, students. ये स्टोरी जो है ये फ्यूचर में सेट किया गया, यानी ये स्टोरी जो है वो आफ्टर 140 ईयर्स, यानी 2157 का स्टोरी, 2157 का स्टोरी है, यानी 140 साल के बाद स्कूल का जो कंडीशन होगा कैसा होगा. देयर विल बी नो स्कूल्स, देयर विल बी नो बुक्स, देन हाउ विल द चिल्ड्रन लर्न. बुक्स स्कूल्स नहीं होंगे तो बच्चे कैसे पढ़ेंगे उस समय. द चिल्ड्रन विल लर्न थ्रू मैकेनिकल टीचर, द चिल्ड्रन विल लर्न थ्रू रोबोटिक टीचर. उस समय टीचर जो है, उस समय स्टूडेंट्स जो बच्चे जो हैं वो रोबोटिक टीचर, मैकेनिकल टीचर के थ्रू पढ़ेंगे. सो नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द स्टोरी. Margie even wrote about it. So there are two characters in the story. One is Margie and the other character is Tommy. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. on the page headed 17th May 2155. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." It was a very old book. Today Tommy found a real book. That means Margie is the main character of the story. She is a girl of 11 years of age. She writes a diary on the night of 17th May 2155. यानी ये स्टोरी जो है वो 2155 का है, 2155 का स्टोरी है. Right now we are living in 2020. As I told earlier that this story is set in the future. ये स्टोरी फ्यूचर में सेट किया गया है, फ्यूचर को देखते हुए बनाया गया है. And it is set in the year 2155. So almost 1.5 century, that is 140 years from now. अभी से 140 साल के बाद का ये स्टोरी होगा. At that time, Margie writes an entry in her diary, and she writes that Tommy is her neighbor. उसका पड़ोसी है Tommy. And she writes that Tommy found a real book, and she is feeling so strange because in her times real books do not exist. They only have e-books, telebooks, and the virtual books. So books in the format of print on paper are extinct. गायब हो जाएंगे, उस समय बुक्स रहेंगे नहीं. 2155 2155 का यहाँ पर बात हो रहा है. उस समय आफ्टर 140 ईयर्स फ्रॉम नाउ देर विल बी नो बुक्स, नो कॉपीज. बुक्स इन द फॉर्मेट ऑफ प्रिंट ऑन पेपर आर एक्सटेंट. गायब हो जाएंगे. एक्सटेंट मतलब होता है लुप्त हो जाना, गायब हो जाना. एंड सो मार्गी इज सरप्राइज, मार्गी इज एस्टोनाइज्ड टू सी अ रियल बुक. इसलिए मार्गी जो है वो रियल बुक को देखकर जो है सरप्राइज हो गई. इट वॉज वेरी ओल्ड बुक. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Margie is reminded of her grandfather. He told her that his grandfather studied all the books that were printed on paper. So this kind of book is historical or ancient for them. Something which they cannot believe, they cannot imagine. अब मार्गी को अपने दादाजी का बात याद आता है कि जब दादाजी छोटे थे तो उनके दादाजी ने, दादाजी के दादाजी ने, यानी मान के चलिए हम ही लोग जो है मार्गी के एंसेस्टर रहेंगे. सो मार्गी इज रिमाइंडेड ऑफ हर ग्रैंडफादर. ही टोल्ड हर, उन्होंने उस मार्गी के दादाजी ने मार्गी से कहा था दैट हिज ग्रैंडफादर स्टडीड ऑल द बुक्स दैट वर प्रिंटेड ऑन पेपर. सो उसके दादाजी ने कहा था कि जो वो पढ़ा करते थे, जो बुक्स को वो लोग स्टडी करते थे वो पेपर में प्रिंट होते थे. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ अ बुक इज हिस्ट्रिकल और एनिसेंट फॉर टॉमी एंड मार्गी, फॉर मार्गी. क्योंकि अब तो मार्गी जो है कंप्यूटर टीचर या रोबोटिक टीचर के थ्रू पढ़ती है, तो वो बुक तो अब उसके लिए हिस्ट्रिकल हो गया. समथिंग विच दे कैन नॉट बिलीव, दे कैन नॉट इमेजिन, जिसको वे लोग विश्वास नहीं कर सकते, जिसको इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते हैं. यानी मार्गी के दादाजी, मार्गी के दादाजी हम ही लोग में से कोई होंगे. तो ये एक साइंस फिक्शन है. फिक्शन मतलब होता है द स्टोरी इज नॉट रियल. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkling, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow and they had been crushed as it was very old. अब अभी का बुक का हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे आफ्टर 140 ईयर्स. 140 साल के बाद अगर अभी अपने बुक को जब 140 साल के बाद कोई यूज़ करेगा तो उसका क्या कंडीशन हो जाए. यू कैन इमेजिन स्टूडेंट्स, योर सेल्फ what will be the condition of book when it will be used after 140 years. So Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow and they had been crushed as it was very old. क्योंकि पूरा बुक ओल्ड हो गया था, इसलिए वो बुक बिल्कुल पूरी तरह से क्रस्ट हो गया था. द चिल्ड्रन फाउंड इट वेरी फनी टू रीड द वर्ड्स विच स्टूड स्टिल. नाउ व्हाट डज इट मीन बाय what words that stood still? As the words were printed on the page, they did not move. अब जो पेज में जो वर्ड प्रिंट है, क्या ये मूव होंगे? नहीं, ये तो मूव नहीं होंगे. जैसा कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन में मूव होता है, वैसा तो पेज में जो वर्ड प्रिंट्स होंगे उसको तो मूव हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. On the other hand, the books that Margie and Tommy read were online e-books. On the other hand, the books that Margie and Tommy read were online e-books. So in the e-books, how it happens, the text keeps on moving as your screen. The text keeps on moving as your screen moves. But it was different in the books printed on the paper. क्योंकि स्क्रीन में जो है वर्ड्स को हम लोग लेटर्स को इधर से इधर मूव कर सकते हैं, बट ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि पेज में लिखे वर्ड्स को हम लोग मूव करें. इधर से उधर हम लोग मूव नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो मार्गी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द बुक दैट टॉमी हैड फाउंड. Gee, said Swami, what a waste. When you are through with the books, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Tommy disliked the printed book. She said that it was a waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you have to throw it away. You cannot have some different story written on the same book. On the contrary, he felt that the computer screen was very old. The computer screen was very good. Because, old not good, because the same screen had shown him many books and still he could read many more on it. He would not have to throw that screen away when once he had read a particular story. अगर एक बार आप कंप्यूटर कि स्क्रीन में कोई स्टोरी को पढ़ते हो तो क्या कंप्यूटर को उठाकर फेंक देते हैं? नहीं ना, नहीं. बट किसी स्टोरी की बुक को पढ़ते हैं तो फिर उसको दोबारा हम लोग नहीं पढ़ते हैं, उसको उस बुक को दोबारा नहीं पढ़ते हैं. इसीलिए टॉमी कहता है, टॉमी डिसलाइक्ड द प्रिंटेड बुक. टॉमी इस प्रिंटेड बुक को जो है, यानी ये बुक हमारा ही होगा. टॉमी इस प्रिंटेड बुक को जो डिसलाइक करता है, वो कहता है इट वॉज अ वेस्ट बिकॉज यू फील दैट वेन एवर यू कंप्लीट रीडिंग अ बुक, क्योंकि ये महसूस करता है कि एक बार अगर बुक को हम लोग पढ़ लिए तो फिर उसका यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. यू हैव टू थ्रो इट अवे. You cannot have some different story written on the same book. अलग स्टोरी आपको उस बुक में फिर नहीं मिलेंगे. बट on the other hand, on the contrary, he felt that the computer screen was very good, according to Tommy, in the comparison of printed book, because the same screen had shown him many books. क्योंकि सेम स्क्रीन में बहुत सारे बुक्स मिल जाएंगे. ये डिपेंड करता है कि कितने जीबी का जो कंप्यूटर में रोम है, रैम है. ही वुड नॉट हैव टू थ्रो दैट स्क्रीन अवे व्हेन वंस ही हैड रीड अ पार्टिकुलर स्टोरी. यानी किसी एक स्टोरी को जब हम लोग कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन में पढ़ते हैं तो कंप्यूटर को उठाकर हम लोग फेंक नहीं देते हैं कि एक ख़त्म हो गया अब तो इसमें स्टोरी नहीं, और भी बहुत सारे स्टोरी को हम लोग उसमें इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. सो टॉमी डिसलाइक द प्रिंटेड बुक एंड लाइक्ड हिज कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन which had shown many books, and still one could read many more on it. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Margie agreed. Margie agreed with Tommy's opinion. Margie was 11 years old and she hadn't read as many telebooks as Tommy had, because Tommy was older to Margie. Swami was older than Margie. He was 13 years of age. Margie कहती है कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा नहीं. मार्गी जो है वो मार्गी एग्रीड विथ टॉमी ओपिनियन. मार्गी जो है वो टॉमी के विचार से सहमत होती है, एग्री होती है. मार्गी वॉज 11 ईयर्स ओल्ड एंड वो उतना टेली बुक्स नहीं पढ़ी थी जितना टॉमी पढ़ चुका था, उतना बुक्स नहीं पढ़े थे जितना टॉमी पढ़ चुका था. वो टॉमी जो मार्गी से बड़ा था, वो कितने साल का था? टॉमी वॉज ओल्डर देन मार्गी. ही वॉज 13 ईयर्स ओल्ड. ही वॉज 13 ईयर्स ऑफ एज. शी सेड वेयर डिड यू फाइंड इट टॉमी। अब मार्गी कहती है कि टॉमी तुमको ये बुक कहाँ से मिला। इन माई हाउस ही पॉइंटेड विदाउट लुकिंग बिकॉज ही वॉज बिजी रीडिंग इन द एटिक। हियर एटिक मीन्स अ स्पेस जस्ट बिलो द रूफ यूज्ड एज अ स्टोर रूम। ठीक रूप के नीचे वाला स्पेस जिसको हम लोग स्टोर रूम के रूप में यूज़ करते हैं। सो जब मार्गी आस्क्ड टॉमी दैट वेयर he had found the printed book, Tommy replied that he had found the printed book in the storeroom of the house. He was so busy reading the book that he didn't look at Margie. He didn't remove his glance from the book because he was busy. He was so busy reading the book. क्योंकि वो बुक पढ़ने में काफ़ी बिजी था, इसीलिए वो मार्गी की तरफ बिना देखे हुए इशारा करते हुए कहा कि एटिक में, यानी द स्पेस जस्ट बिलो द रूफ यूज्ड एज अ स्टोर रूम। Margie was, what's it about? Now again Margie asked that what the book was about. School. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. I hate school. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Margie was scornful about the school. तब मार्गी ने पूछा, मार्गी आस्क्ड what the book was about, Tommy. School. Tommy replied that the book was all about school, about going to school, about the life at school. Tommy reply करता है स्कूल के बारे में दिया गया मार्गी इस बुक में। मार्गी वॉज स्कॉर्नफुल का मतलब होता है घृणा करना। स्कॉर्नफुल मतलब कॉन्टेम्प्चुअस होता है, शोइंग यू थिंक समथिंग इज वर्थलेस। हियर स्कॉर्नफुल, कॉन्टेम्प्चुअस, शोइंग यू थिंक समथिंग इज वर्थलेस, शो योर डिसलाइक फॉर समथिंग, मैंने डिसलाइक करना, घृणास्पद रूप में जो है बोलना। तो मार्गी वॉज स्कॉर्नफुल। स्कूल, व्हाट्स देयर टू राइट अबाउट स्कूल? आई हेट स्कूल। Margie hated the word school. So she said that what was there to write about school? What was there to write about school? What was there to write about school? That the entire book had been written about school. क्यों स्कूल के बारे में क्या लिखने की बात है? स्कूल, क्योंकि मार्गी स्कूल से हेट करती थी। क्यों हेट करती थी? नेक्स्ट वाले पैराग्राफ में वी विल रीड इन द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ व्हाई मार्गी हेटेड, एंड ये इससे क्वेश्चन बनेगा, व्हाई डिड मार्गी हेट स्कूल? सो द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ विच वी आर गोइंग टू रीड विल बी योर आंसर फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन। ओके, सो Margie always hated school. You know why? Because the mechanical teacher had been giving a test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Margie स्कूल से हमेशा नफरत करती थी। बिकॉज मैकेनिकल टीचर जो उसको हैड बीन गिविंग हर टेस्ट आफ्टर टेस्ट इन ज्योग्राफी एंड शी हैड बीन डूइंग वर्स एंड वर्स until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. What is Margie's school? Margie's school is mechanical teacher. A mechanical teacher, that means the machine which teaches you, and not that school where we all go. Now why did Margie hate school? This will be your question. ये आपका क्वेश्चन भी बनेगा एक। सो आपका आंसर इसी में है, ये पैराग्राफ आपका आंसर होगा। दिस पैराग्राफ विल बी योर आंसर फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन। It was not a real school like we have today. So in the future we are thinking that the schools will be virtual classroom. There will be machines that will be teaching the children. Margie hated this machine because it was giving her so many tests in geography which were very difficult for Margie, and she was performing very bad. And finally her mother thought that there was something wrong with the machines. So she had called the county inspector to check it. County inspector जो ऑपरेट करता है कंप्यूटर को, जो मशीन्स को ठीक करता है, उसको काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर कहते हैं। तो जब देखी मार्गी का परफॉर्मेंस बद से बदतर होते जा रहा है, तो मार्गी की मदर जो है वो सॉरोफुली काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर को सॉरोफुली shook her head and called for the county inspector to check the machine. He was a round little man with a red face. and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at her. At her मतलब Margie. He smiled at her and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. But he knew how to set it all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and a black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. The county inspector came to check the mechanical teacher. He was a round little man. He was a round little man and he had a red face. He was carrying a big box full of tools with dials and wires. उसके हाथों में उसके इक्विपमेंट्स थे जिससे वो कंप्यूटर को मैकेनिकल टीचर को खोलकर चेक करने वाला था, ऑपरेट करने वाला, चेक करने वाला था. वो बिल्कुल पूरी तरह से सभी साजो सामान के साथ आया था. वो एक छोटा सा छोटे कद काटे का गोल मटोल राउंड लिटिल मैन था और उसका चेहरा लाल था. Margie had once he had opened the computer, Margie wished that he would be unable to close it. He would be unable to close it back because she didn't like the computer. She didn't like the computer. Margie didn't like the computer. She didn't like to study from this teacher. But the man was an expert, and within an hour he had repaired the computer and had closed it and made it ready to teach Margie once again. Margie तो पहले सोची, पहले ये विश की कि वो बिल्कुल नहीं जानता होगा कि किस तरह से मशीन को ठीक किया जाता है, बट वो तो एक्सपर्ट था. ही वॉज एन एक्सपर्ट एंड विद इन एन आवर ही हैड रिपेयर्ड द कंप्यूटर एंड हैड क्लोज्ड इट and made it ready to teach Margie once again. Margie gives a description of the computer. She feels that it अब Margie यहाँ पर जो है कंप्यूटर का डिस्क्रिप्शन देती है. Margie gives a description of the computer. She feels that it is a very huge. It is black in color and she dislikes its appearance. It has a big screen and all the lessons appear on the screen and many questions are asked on the same screen which are difficult for Margie. तो अब यहाँ Margie कंप्यूटर के बारे में बताती है कि एक बड़ा सा ब्लैक कलर का ये बॉक्स है, बड़ा सा स्क्रीन है जहाँ पर लेसन्स नज़र आते हैं, क्वेश्चंस पूछा जाता है. बट दैट वाजंट सो बैड. द पार्ट she hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. Slot means a given space, time or position. Slot means a given space, time or position. So Margie hated the mechanical teacher the most because she had to submit her homework and test paper. जैसा आप लोग भी करते हो, होमवर्क देने के बाद तो आप लोग का चेहरा बनने लगता है, सर बहुत होमवर्क दे दिए हैं, समर वेकेशन में होमवर्क सर इतना, सर साइंस में मिला है, सर मैथ्स में मिला होमवर्क. सो Margie hated in the same way as you hate when your teacher gives you homework. Margie hated this mechanical teacher the most because she hated to submit her homework and the test paper. यानी वो slot से वो ज़्यादा नफरत करती है, slot से जहाँ पर where she had to put homework and test paper. और she always had to write them out in a punch code. punch code मतलब कीबोर्ड में दबा कर ना उसको स्क्रीन पे लिखना पड़ता है. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. यानी वो जब 6 साल की थी तब वो Margie had to write her homework and her test paper in a particular punch code. That is computing language. You can say it computing language में उसको पेन से तो स्क्रीन में नहीं लिखेगा ना, उसको पंच करके जो है की को स्क्रीन में टाइप किया जाता है. And she had learned the language at the age of 6. The machine checked the papers and calculated her marks in a few seconds. और मशीन जो है वो पेपर को चेक काफ़ी जल्दी और कैलकुलेट करके मार्क्स को फ्यू सेकंड्स में जो मार्क्स को कैलकुलेट करके पेपर को मार्गी के सामने रख देता था। इसीलिए वो स्लॉट से मार्गी ज़्यादा हेट करती थी जहाँ पर उसको होमवर्क करना पड़ता था। मार्गी हेटेड द मैकेनिकल टीचर, दिस मैकेनिकल टीचर द मोस्ट बिकॉज सी हैड टू सबमिट हर होमवर्क एंड पर्टिकुलरली द स्लॉट वेयर सी हैड टू पुट हर होमवर्क and test papers in a particular punch code, that is a computing language, you can say, students. So she had learned the language at the age of 6 and the machine checked the paper and calculated her marks in few seconds. So my dear student, this is the first part of this story, and we will continue this story in our second part in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you very much. Stay at home and protect yourself from this vital virus. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.